Hey guys, I just want to make this quick video for you. So what you want to do is you want to open the web.user.bat file in your folder where you have it stable diffusion. So find your folder for the stable diffusion where you're going to have it. You are going to find a file there called web.user.bat. It's going to be like this. And what you want to do, you just want to right click and then you just want to open it in Notepad. If that is not going to work, what you need to do is you want to Control plus click, open with, and then text edit. So that's something another thing that you can do. And in the moment when you're going to be here, what you just need to write here is the set command line args. You have to do like X formers, this symbol, med VRAM, or what you can also do is to write here low VRAM. So this is the thing that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to fix the issue for you. I hope it does. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.